Hi, Tammy Seiler with Premier Plus Realty. We're here today at an open house at 3120 68th Street Southwest in Naples, Florida. We are just off of Golden Gate Parkway. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath plus a den. It has a pool. It was built in 2017. 2,800 square feet of living space. When you include the 3-car garage, the space, the total square footage is over 3,400 square feet. It is on 1.14 acres of property. It's very peaceful, very quiet, as you can tell, and very, very private. So very nice location. We are very close to the beaches. The highway is right up the road. Naples Zoo is not far. Lots of things to do. Coastland Mall. Yeah, lots and lots to do. The asking price is $1,350,000. So come on in and take a look. So how'd it go? Pretty nice house. It's very unique. I like it. Again, 3 bedrooms, 3 bath. It has a den, pool, 3-car garage. It was built in 2017. 2,800 square feet of living space, 3,400 total space. It is on 1.14 acres, nice and private. We are local to everything. Pretty much everything is within a few minute drive. My name is Tammy Seiler. I'm with Premier Plus Realty. Give me a call at 845-913-8766. I would love to show you this place in person. Again, Tammy Seiler, 845-913-8766. Have a great day.